sync?
Yep. The two audio files together.
Ah.
Let me work on my Apple for a second. So, what do we want to cover in the video? I mean, this is your idea, so what were you thinking?
You know, I was thinking just a quick, hey, how's it going? Orphan Run is going to be held at Independence, so start, stop, location, kind of what we're doing. For those that might not know what Orphan is, a quick blurb, you know, Sacred Selections, Independence has stepped up. We're going to have a band, hit all the highlights, and love to see you there.
How long should we make the video?
Just a few minutes, really.
So it's been 2 years since I've made a video.
It sure has been. You know, and I was thinking, do you want to address that, or you just want to, hey, Yogi Clan?
Oh, welcome back. Yeah, it's been 2 years, but hey!
Yeah. If you wanted to do an update and throw it out there for those that be curious, you know, that'd be good. Been doing my thing for 2 years, wrenching on bike. We got the Orphan Run coming up on April the 5th.
Started a demolition company.
45 minutes later. So anyways, on April the 5th.
Let me finish my apple, we'll get started. Yogi Clan, welcome back to Yogi's Cycle Service. It is good to have you here. Sorry it's been a hot minute since we have chatted last time, but we got hot news coming off the press. We have this weekend coming up. Starting on Friday, we're going to have a lot of guys from Forge Brotherhood Motorcycle Club from around the country, really, coming into town for the start of the Orphan Run in 2025. Many of you know our family has adopted a boatload of kids. Sacred Selections is the nonprofit charity that the Orphan Run donates all of our proceeds to. It's a nonprofit organization that helps give grant money to families who are going through the adoption process and are trying to fund an adoption. They are just a piece of the puzzle for a family in order to get a kid into a forever home. They have blessed our family through, I think, 9 of our 11 adoptions. Doing this Orphan Run every year is how me and my wife, through the club and with our club brothers like Bug Out here, who I want to introduce to you, he's helping me this year with the Orphan Run. He said, hey, Yogi, you really need to make a video about this. I'm like, bro, I hadn't made a video in 2 years. And here we are, just trying to get the word out. We're going to start gathering on Friday, but Saturday morning, starting at 10 o'clock at Independence Harley-Davidson, we're going to be doing a bike blessing. Kickstand's up at 11. We're going to go for a ride that's about approximately an hour. Costs, if you want to ride, are $20 for a rider. If you're 2 up, it's $25 for 2 up. And you may say, what does that get me? Well, that gets you donations through Sacred Selections, and it also gets you a plate of food and a drink and a bag of chips.
Ooh,
Hazen,
with
All Word Masonry, is going to be cooking up probably about 200 pounds of chicken with baked beans, slaws, buns. If you don't ride in the run, that's fine too. If you donate $10, you can buy a plate of food.
Yep.
About 12:15 to 12:30, we'll be serving food. CJ Ballard Band will be there on stage playing music. You can shop in the Harley dealer, have a good old time. There's lots of stuff to do in Charlotte off Independence Boulevard. Every person who comes to the ride, every dollar they donate, whether it goes to buying a plate of food or paying for a registration or buying one of the t-shirts for the run, every dollar you spend will go to Sacred Selections. Every dollar Sacred Selections gets goes to a family like ours to help fund an adoption. So it's an awesome cause. We would love to see you out there. This video is solely to try to spark interest. So if you see this and you live in the Charlotte metro area, heck, there are YouTubers there from like
Hickory
at the furthest, good hour and a half away that are promoting this event for us also. So we are blessed. We're expecting an awesome turnout, and we would love to see you there also. How's that work? Did we hit all the details? Is there anything you'd like to add?
I think you nailed it.
Nailed it? Done. All right. Yeah, I guess that's all.
That's
all
it.
right. Let's go to editing. We'll see you next weekend. All right, y'all. Love you guys. Peace.
Oh, look at that. We did it together.